A network of 4 10 microfarad capacitors is connected to a 500 volt supply as shown in figure. Determine a equivalent capacitance of the network B, the charge on each capacitor. So see, first of all, charges capacitors are given C of each 10 microfarad. 10 microfarad means 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 Faraday. Now equivalent capacitance of the network. So equivalent, see, these three are in series. So if they are in series, we have to find their equivalent by reciprocating. So 1 upon C dash is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. So 1, 2 and 3. See, this is series connection, that's why this combination, to find that combination, sum of reciprocal of all the capacitance, that is to find equivalent capacitance. So 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 3 upon 10, and then after all we will get C dash is as 10 upon 3, right? So these are all the reciprocals, and then after 1 upon C1, that is 1 upon 10 is to minus 6, and again microfarad. So 10 upon 3, directly we can write microfarad. So that is our equivalent capacitance of these three. Now this capacitance is connected with all this with parallel. In capacitance parallel combination, then we have to sum this. So C dash plus that fourth one, C4. So 10 by 3 plus 10, right? So 10 by 3 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 by 3, right? So 40 by 3 microfarad, right? So that is total equivalent. So this is our first answer, 40 by 3 microfarad. Now charge on each capacitor. Now we have to find that charge on each capacitor. So charge, see, we know that formula Q is equal to CV. Now we know that voltage remains constant for parallel connection. So these three are in series, right? So Q is equal to, now we have voltage is 500 volt, right? So first of all, yes, so first of all C dash is equal to Q upon V, right? So Q is equal to CV. So here Q is equal to C, that is 40 by 3 into, here each combination, right? So each combinations are in series. So 40 by 3, that is 13.33, right? So for the parallel connection, these are in series, right? So series connection, so their equivalent we know that is 10 by 3. C dash we found that earlier. So 10 by 3 microfarad into voltage given to that 500, because they are in series with the parallel with this fourth one, right? So see, 5000 upon 3 microfarad, right? That is our charge on C1, C2 and C3. Now we are going to find for C4. So Q is equal to C4 into V directly, because it is parallelly connected with this voltage. So this 500 volt directly given to C4, right? So C4 is 10 microfarad into V is 500. So that will be 5000 microcoulomb. Here also this is Faraday, because we have to change, because here that is charge, so that is microcoulomb charge.